You tried everything, cutting carbs, eating clean, doing more cardio, but nothing is working. And it's frustrating as hell. Here's the real reason why you're stuck and what to do about it. This used to be me for real. When I first started working out to build muscle and get lean, I actually accomplished some really good results. And when I competed in my first bodybuilding show, I placed second. This is my first show, so I'm thinking, okay, this is a godsend. This is meant to be. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't until my second show, an entire year later, that I placed second place again. And this is me. I wanted to do it all on my own. But you got to see how that hurt my pride. To go a whole year preparing to place first, preparing to do better than I did the previous year, to be right back in the same position again. So ultimately, I swallowed my pride. I let a coach help me. And bam, just like that, I got my first place win. Because at the time, I didn't know what I didn't know. And with the help of my coach at the time, he helped me take everything to the next level. And we did everything completely naturally, guys. So I understand your frustration. You putting in the work, but the scale isn't budging. You're following random tips you heard, but nothing is clicking. To keep it real with you, you need a plan. Trying harder is not working. In fact, trying harder can keep you stuck. If you're training wrong, doing too much cardio, and not focusing on muscle building, if you're eating healthy, but still over consuming calories, and if you have no structured system, you're just guessing. What you need to do instead, if you really want to see results, is follow a structured system, focus on muscle over cardio, and stop chasing fads and do what actually works. If you're tired of the confusion and the ups and downs and want a real system that actually works, I've got a free training session where I'll break it down for you. Click the link below and let's fix this for good.